DeepSeek was founded by Liang Wenfeng in 2023 in China. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence (AI) startup that has developed a range of AI models, including language models, that can perform tasks such as text generation, language translation, and more. How is DeepSeek different from other AI? DeepSeek's AI models are distinct from others in several ways. 1. Cost effectiveness. DeepSeek's AI model was reportedly developed at a significantly lower cost, around $5.6 million, compared to the tens of billions spent by US tech giants. 2. Efficient hardware utilization. DeepSeek achieved impressive results using crippled, Hopper H800 GPU accelerators from Nvidia, which have capped performance. 3. Open source model. Unlike many Western AI companies, DeepSeek has made its model open source, allowing anyone to access, modify, and improve the code. 4. Mixture of experts. MO. Foundation model. DeepSeek's MO approach enables its model to achieve state-of-the-art results while using fewer computational resources. 5. Competitive pricing. DeepSeek's AI model is priced 20 to 40 times cheaper than equivalent models from OpenAI.